Hello everybody, this is Terry Jeanette with the Tapping Flamingo, and today I am going to show you how to make an awareness bracelet that's adjustable and waterproof using wax cording. So what you're going to need are the colors for the particular awareness bracelet you're making, or this doesn't have to be an awareness bracelet. You just pick out some of your favorite colors. Let me explain a little bit to you how I came up with my colors though. So there is a condition known as TSW, or Topical Steroid Withdrawal. And if you're interested in what that means, I actually have a video, and I will leave a link down in the description box below to that video about exactly what TSW is. The video is actually on my other channel, Be Creative. But like I said, I'll leave a link to that for the information for you to look at there. But I've got red, orange, a light yellow, and tan. And then for this part, I'm going to be using black. You're also going to need a ruler, and you're going to need some type of a lighter, and you're going to need some scissors, which I'm just going to use these little guys. So I switched out rulers because this one's actually a 6-inch ruler, and I'm going to need to measure 6 inches. So I'm going to take all my cording here. Let's see, we have 4 colors. Normally I like to use 3 colors, but for this particular awareness, I want to use all 4 of these colors. Usually you need 9 strands, but we're going to be cutting 8 strands. So there's 4, and whoops, and then another 4. And then you just put them together. Make sure they're all as even as you can get them. And I'm going to lay them out like this. Then I'm going to take my black cording. So I'm going to cut these at 8 inches, and I need 2 of them. So there's 1. And 2. And then I need another one, another black one at 4 inches. Like so. And I'm going to set this aside and one of these aside. Don't need my scissors anymore. Don't need that anymore. So what we're going to do with one of these is I want to find the middle. And I'm going to start to make a knot. But I want that to be in the middle as much as possible. And before you tighten it all the way, you're going to stick all those in there and tighten it, like so. Okay. And then I'm going to flip it over and tighten it again and make a full knot for this one. Like so. Okay. Now these aren't exactly even. That's okay. The next thing I want to do is I'm going to burn these ends like so. And you're going to burn these down until they melt. All right. So once this is cooled off a little bit, I'm just going to lay it back down, and I'm going to repeat that on the other side. So once you got both ends like that, you're going to take these legs here and you're going to twist. And when you twist, you want to make sure you're not loosening up the threads. You're tightening the threads up. I just twist and then twist the other one. And then line them up, pull them, and let go, and they twist on their own. And then I twist a little bit more, both of them. And then you tie a knot. And a little hint. Let me show you something here. If you're having a hard time grabbing those ends, a crochet needle is perfect. You just grab them like that, pull them through, and then tie the knot. And burn the ends. Got a little bit too much flame on that, but it works. Okay, let's do that again on this side. So you twist this one, line the ends up. Woo! So the next thing we need to do is we need to make the sliding knot, and all it is a series of square knots. So I'm just going to loop this around. I'm going to make sure these are side by side. They're not on top of each other. And you take your 4-inch piece and you tie it on. Like so. And again, you want to make sure, like I've got these twisted. I don't want them twisted. So I'm going to make sure they're not twisted. Okay, so tighten it. And then just make a loop on one side, and the other side you're going to come down over the top and under and up into that hole and tie it tighter. And then you're going to do the opposite side. Make a loop, grab this under and up into the hole and tie it tight. And then we're going to go one more over here. I usually do about 3 or 4 of these. Okay. Should I do one more? Let's see if I can do one more. Yep, I can do it. All right, now I'm going to trim these off and burn the ends, and we are done. Now once I get the ends all burnt, I do like to open it up a little bit just to kind of make it easier to put on and off. And here we go. We got our bracelet all finished. Isn't that nice? And this bracelet is 100% waterproof. So if you want to wear it all summer long, to the beach, to the pool, in the shower, whatever, or all year long for that matter, go for it. And these are great to stack along other bracelets. See, I got one here, and let's see. You can just stack them all over the place, and they're very fun. There is one last look. There's the knot. I want to thank y'all for joining me, and let me know if you are going to make this and if you're going to make it into some type of an awareness bracelet. I actually have all kinds of awareness bracelets on my Tappingflamingobling Etsy shop, and my best sellers are thyroid, disease, and diabetes. Those are my top sellers. In fact, I just thought, you know what, I ran out of my thyroid awareness bracelet. I need to make some more and put those back in my shop. But let me know, what is your awareness? Mine is, I have a couple of them, but this is actually one of them. I have really bad eczema, and I don't use steroidal creams anymore. Like I said, go check out my video all about that on my other channel. And thanks for joining me today. You have a great day. This is Terry Jeanette with Tapping Flamingo signing out for now. Bye-bye.